So, Jan, I am so excited. The fourth grade literacy footprint kit is shipping out this week. We had so many people pre-order, and I know you haven't gotten your kit yet, so I want to show you some of the new books. They're just amazing. So the first thing I'm so excited about, our idea of doing a collection of stories and pieces in the anthologies. And so they're all around a theme. So this one, it's our right, and so there's short stories and short nonfiction pieces, and they just look unbelievable. I think fourth grade teachers are just going to have a ball using these pieces for guided reading.
I think the anthology idea, Michelle, was brilliant because Common Core now requires that students are able to make connections between texts. So now we have a set of texts that are around a theme, and they'll be able to compare and contrast texts, but they'll also be able to think about, what did I learn in this fiction piece, and what more have I learned in this nonfiction piece about the same topic? And teachers are just crying for more short texts.
Now, of course, our Explore the World that everybody's been loving. I love the new topics that are in the fourth grade. This one, Robot Roaches. I love this one about how scientists are using the design of cockroaches to create little robots that can save people. So that one's great. I know fourth graders are going to love reading about boogers.
Explore the World topics are so engaging. I know I've tried them out with my grandkids, and they love these interesting ideas that are true. So they're very interesting, they're engaging. The pictures and illustrations are just vivid. And the one thing I like about the illustrations is we didn't just put pictures in there. We thought about what kind of text feature would increase students' understanding and expand their comprehension.
Of course, we have a fabulous teaching guide that you did such amazing writing on. I think teachers are going to love having this as a resource, including the videos that you made of those fabulous fourth grade kids reading. So they'll be able to actually see live lessons of you teaching that go along with the teaching guide.
You know, the teaching guide is so helpful for teachers because it gives them the step-by-step process that explains my guided reading lesson framework, but it also gives them some great resources.
And hot off the press, a brand new comprehension box. This one is the advanced comprehension box, and it has all of your comprehension cards. So I just know teachers are going to love having these great little cards. So you've got the cards for the students, but you also have these wonderful little handy instructions to go with it.
And of course, the cards give teachers not just one lesson for a comprehension strategy, but two. So they'll be able to either select the strategy that best fits their children, or they can use the text one day for one comprehension strategy, and then have students reread the text at another time using a different comprehension strategy.
The lesson cards that make it so easy to follow along and do your lessons, planned by the wonderful Jan Richardson.
I know you have a lot of people waiting in line to get these kits, but you need to put my name on that list because I can't wait to see the Literacy Footprints fourth grade kit.